Baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark.
Copyright.
Yeah. So hello there, welcome to this week's vlog. Today, well this morning, we are at Typhoon Lagoon. I kind of forgot what it was called then as I was doing that, can you tell?
It's a GoPro kind of day.
Yeah, and look what I've just done to the water.
Found our spot though at the back of the park. Yeah, everywhere else is really busy, isn't it? This is really quiet over here.
Yeah, but to be fair, we don't really like going near the big things anyway. Because
Yeah,
it is,
and we don't sunbathe.
yeah, so it's nice to just
It's just a little base.
be a recluse back here.
Yeah. First ride at Typhoon Lagoon.
Misadventure Falls.
How is this walk on?
This is the most uncomfortable part of the ride, isn't it?
Yeah.
So hold on to the handrail though. We're going to go backwards down this.
Yeah. It's not, I've been on this before. I'm not nervous at all about this ride.
You only did it once, you're too scared to go on it again.
That's a lie. We went on it twice. Twice I gracefully got out of this boat. Turn around. Really? Really? Every time.
I'm sure this used to be faster.
I have no idea if I'm about to get wet.
Yeah, you are.
That wasn't too bad. Whoa!
That was high, wasn't it?
I don't like riding, I can't enjoy this back.
Right. Hey. It just knocked Dan's glasses off his face. This is the bit we hate getting out.
Yeah, alright guys. See you later guys.
You excited, Dan?
Yeah.
Round 2.
Yeah.
It's still a walk on, so yeah, it makes it a lot nicer.
Hopefully I won't be going backwards this time.
Well, I don't know, we're kind of on the side, aren't we?
Yeah.
So
I just want to see where I'm going.
yeah.
Ah, right over here.
It feels a lot faster when you go backwards.
That's it?
Yeah.
You got it's pretty much the same as what I got last time. Just a little go down the lazy river here.
It's very high up.
Yeah.
Oh, that one hurts. Did it? Here we go.
You're getting all of it this time.
Yay! So it's still a walk on from Misadventure Falls. Oh, there's a little bit of a queue forming now.
Yeah, we'll do it again, but we want to get around. But we just did it twice, which is really good.
Yeah, within like 5 minutes. Do you prefer going backwards or forwards?
Forwards, definitely, so I can see where I'm going.
Yeah. So I'm going to head into the wave pool, and I'm quite excited for this. It's been a year since we've done this, obviously, because we haven't been to Florida since. So, come with us.
I have to be honest, I'm not looking forward to this.
Are you not?
No.
Why?
I just, like, at a certain depth, when it gets really, like, it really takes you, that's why I don't like.
No.
Yeah.
Well, we'll go into like the 1 foot bit for you, Dan, and we'll just sit
I'm
there.
not going to make a fuss like last time, I'm just going to do it.
Good. Sorry. That was me just pushing Dan in the direction of where I wanted to walk, so I just kind of give him a nudge.
I was trying to walk the other direction, so we got lost.
Ha ha ha. Plan fail. Dan, a wave's coming now.
I feel like glasses are a bad idea in here.
Maybe. Maybe not. Oh, I was waiting for the wave to come around the corner. Oh, look, Dan, it's going to be a big wave. Oh, Dan, look. Oh, no. Does that hurt your leg hairs? So now we're like the deepest Dan's ever been.
Oh, shut up. I go down like to the
Have you?
Yes.
Have you?
There's video evidence to it.
We're now at the 3-foot mark and we're still walking. I've got Dan's glasses in my pocket and I'm really worried they're going to fall out.
Yeah, but I feel that they would get lost easily on my face. So
yeah, maybe. Oh, and I can't put them underwater this time. So I've got contact lenses in. So if they do fall out, they're gone to the sea of Typhoon Lagoon. So big.
Gonna not be here, I don't know.
This is new to us all. It wasn't too bad actually.
No.
So I tried to swim with it last year with a GoPro and it was like the hardest thing ever. So I don't think I'm going to do that this year. I'm just going to kind of enjoy it because honestly I thought I was going to drown last year when I GoPro'd as well. So we're just waiting for the next one. They come every about 90 seconds or so. So it's been about 30 seconds. So I've got about a minute of bobbing around here. Well, I'm only in the 5'5" section. I'm struggling to stay on my feet. So let's head out a bit further so I'm actually treading water. Just come in, turn. Glasses fell off, underwear's come down, swim shorts come down, contacts popped out. So we're lost, so we come from out. We've done this already, we've done that. Should we go up to number 8, which is storm slides? Yeah. And if not, we can do the family raft ride, number 6, Gangplank Falls.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
As soon as you reach the bottom
walk
of the
up and
slide,
down so much
please
on
exit
this.
to the side immediately. For your safety and enjoyment, please lie flat on your back with your arms and ankles crossed in front of you. As soon as you reach the
Ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow. Ow. Whee! Ow. Ow. So I just came off Storm, oh my gosh, I can't even remember what it was called. Do you remember what it was called? That rider just came.
Storm slides.
Storm slides. And we bumped into... And
Hello!
UK Disney couple, we'll put their information down there, and we've also bumped into...
Hello, Nathan.
Oh, I kind of got off the water ride and I caught eye contact with Cheryl and I was like, I don't know if that is her, so I'll just do the awkward walk of shame.
Yeah.
And she was doing the same.
I was like, I know you. I was like, ah!
And then it's like, oh, it is who we think you are. So we've all come into the wave pool together. I know me and Dan have just got out of it, but I love it anyway, so have some water.
That's just enough.
That's alright actually, isn't
There
it?
are shades somewhere around here.
Oh, here.
Yeah, they're the ones.
Got him.
Yeah, got them. Safe, it's fine, I'm all good. The shades have returned safely.
Right, Cheryl and Paul are about to go under. So's Nathan and us. We go over.
Have you seen that cloud?
It's not a big cloud, is it?
No, but it could bring a little drizzle.
Oh, a little drizzle would be quite cool actually in the wave pool. But in the meantime, we're gonna just keep swimming. Just keep swimming.
It's more just keep standing.
Just keep standing, well, bobbing around. The good thing about Typhoon Lagoon, right, is the floor is to be continued. I'm gonna film you, Dan, because your face of fear is great.
Nearly lost him then.
So what I was saying is the floor's nicer here than Aquatica, so it kind of exfoliates your feet, which is lovely.
Really exfoliates.
Yeah. So because Dan doesn't really like water, we're going to go out deeper. So come on, Paul. Let's go do this. Right. Paul's now gone. He didn't want to come out this far, I don't think. Or his GoPro's just given up. I'm not sure. Hopefully he'll be back out here soon. Here we go. Swim, 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 swim. Glamorous. So I'll just do a quick. So we're heading out of the wave pool now because we've got the 30 minutes of rough waves that I nearly drowned in last year. So we're going to say bye to Paul for now. See you later. Say bye to Cheryl for now. Carol. Bye to Nathan for now. And hopefully we'll see you again by the end of the day.
See you around.
Yeah, enjoy.
Have a good night, guys.
You too. See you later. Tilly's Landing. End of Ring. You in your happy place.
Oh, I love it. Yeah.
It's so relaxing, isn't it? It is a really lazy river because we literally just do nothing.
Shame the sun isn't out at the moment though.
Yeah, it's gone really cloudy. But it's making the water feel warmer, so I'm not going to moan.
Georgie, it's our first, like, rain in a water park.
Yeah, it's so windy as well. Don't you see the trees that lose all their leaves? Obviously, now that you're filming, it's not going to happen.
But we believe you.
It feels colder as well, doesn't it?
It does, yeah.
But it's still quite nice.
When the sun goes in, it really does change, doesn't it?
Yeah, quite instant. But now it's kind of raining as well. It's going to make it even more humid, which is lovely. I'm going to bounce through these.
How's the lazy river for you?
It's really nice in the rain.
It was lazy.
It's very lazy.
That was the answer. You were like,
Oh, sorry. It was lazy.
lazy.
So every time we've come here, we've always kind of, instead of getting a setup near the wave pool, we kind of go to the back. So next to, I don't know what that place is called. Have a look.
Next to Typhoon Tilly's.
Oh yeah, there we go. That's pretty easier. There's a couple of like different sections, and they've got covers as well.
So, yeah.
We went 10 o'clock this morning. We got one underneath the cover when it was raining as well. So all of our stuff's nice and dry. So recommend going there if you don't want to be in the middle of the crowd.
What you just spotted?
It's kind of like a hidden Mickey, but also a speaker.
I don't think it's working.
No,
It's been longer than a minute though.
maybe 90 seconds, so it's probably any second now. So, I think 3, 2, 1, or not.
Not as nice as the aquatical ones, are they?
No, you get a locker, but you don't get unless you get like a refillable drink.
Yeah. Our fridge makes all the difference, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's so nice to have that top cold water, isn't it? We shall.
Look, I found your bucket and spade instant.
That one, I'm assuming you mean this one.
Yeah.
How much are they?
$7.99.
That's not too bad actually. Oh, I like this song.
How about a unicorn baseball cap?
Well, you wanted a baseball cap, didn't you, Dan, for this holiday?
$28.
Well, I think that really suits you. In fact, that's like thumbnail material.
What material?
Thumbnail.
I always wondered if these work.
I think they do, because you soak them, don't you? It's like a microfiber cloth.
$16.90. That's such a random price.
Thanks, actually.
I've seen quite a few people with them.
Yeah, but how much are they in Walmart?
Exactly, that's what I
Yeah.
think. Yeah.
We shall have a look later if we go into a Walmart, if we remember. Or if you have been to a Walmart and you know how much it cost, put it down in the comments, because we'll forget. They sell Cheetos. Don't know how much these are charged at. No prices. Do. Us.
Here's a good example.
Okie dokie.
So we bought these in Walmart, didn't we? For $5.
Yeah.
25 in here.
But they are Speedo.
All you're doing is
logo.
paying extra for that.
Oh,
That's it.
stop being so grumpy. But yeah, that is a lot cheaper to get them in Walmart.
Quality, that's the thing.
I get some Disney Crocs, look.
Oh, look at that Nemo hat.
Dad, I feel like you should rock these in Animal Kingdom.
Okay, but you're missing this Nemo hat.
$44.99.
25.
25, that's a cool hat. Ah, I've always wondered what I'd look like in one of these, but seeing as I'm filming, Dan, come here. No. But how much is it if you wanted to look like him?
Georgie, look at his towel.
$26. Mine.
What is that?
Mine.
Do you know that? It's really cheap quality.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh no. You'd want it to be thick and fluffy, wouldn't you?
I can't see a price on that though.
Oh.
I think it's probably 22. Yeah, it's 22.
Is that how do you I quite like this Mickey one.
I like this one.
That is cool.
22 each when you buy two. Oh, they're 27 on their own. plus
Oh, okay.
tax. Look at those little Crocs.
Oh, this is why me and Dan need a child.
As well as to go on pterodactyl flights.
Oh yeah, and pterodactyl flies, yeah. But look, it's got Space Mountain on there. Oh, that's so cool. Even like the mini ones, I shouldn't forget mini. They're $49.99 though. That seems crazy for a really small bit of material. Dan, did you know they're $49.99 for them?
Wow.
Look, if it's a finger. What are these? Oh, they're little magnet pins. Dan, I quite like these. They go on your fridge. They're $9.99.
Typhoon Lagoon pin, no?
Oh, that's quite cool.
$9.99. Oh, look at the little flip-flop one.
Good vibrations. That's cool. I like that one.
$15 now.
$15.
That's a pigeon one, Georgie.
Oh, Dan, I really want that. Silver.
$9.99.
$9.99.
Do you want it?
I really do want that.
Well, get it then.
Okay, what one are you getting? Do you have to get
Well,
one
no,
out?
I'm not getting one here.
Oh, okay.
I've got my eye on other ones.
Do you think they'll have them in the Disney Character Warehouse?
I think not. I don't think so, no.
Okay, we'll get it and then we'll return it if they do. Oh, Dan, they've got your hand wash here.
Yeah. I'd just be worried it was going to fall out, though.
Yeah, but it's quite tight. Some bracelets.
Look, a water bottle carrier.
Oh, that's cool. Kind of like that.
That's red. That's $9.99.
Oh, Dan, how about this one for you? Grumpy by choice.
Excuse me. Oh, it's a cat thing that you put in your mouth.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
$9.99.
So we just bought the first pin on the holiday. It's the mine pigeon from Finding Nemo. Cost $9.99 in total. Don't know if it will focus on that. Oh, it will. How much including tax, Dan?
$10.64.
$10.64. But it's the first one. We've kind of walked around
Georgie's
and
first
found a
one.
few. Well, my first one, yeah. Dan's still got to get one as well. So that's our vlog for today at Typhoon Lagoon. I've had a really good day. It's only been a few hours, isn't it?
Yeah, but we've got a lot done and we've had a little bit of a chill ready
Yeah.
for tonight. So.
It's more of a relaxed morning today, which is why we came here. This is also made of like fiberglass.
brush your teeth, mate.
Funny. Yeah, all dirty. But we hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button just down here. And on that note, we'll see you later.